Come on. Oh, you got it. Get back up. Yeah. Watch out, brother. Watch out.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, buddy.
Look at that.
I see that. That's awesome.
See it?
I see it.
It's playing. I can have a cat home here.
Wow. Good job, sister. Good job. You stuck? Big girl. Big girl. Good girl. You even turned it around the corner. Good job, Sophia. Just bulldoze that stuff over. You got it. You got it. Yeah, Mommy thinks you could walk if you would just let go.
All the cat will go to the mortgage. Mommy?
Opa.